chair. Okay, so this time, kumpleto na po yung wow natin. Okay, W, O, W, and then yung dot natin, tatlong beses na, yung dot at matigas. Ayan, dot, dot, dot. Kailangan matigas yung dot natin. Ayan, so practice tayo. W, O, W, dot, dot, dot. Matigas na dot, 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 dot. Okay. Ayan, ayos. Ayan. After that, pag natapos na tayo, you have to shout and clap, happy birthday, Saki. Okay, nakuha? Ayan, balik muna tayo, sir. Ayan mo, backward pull-up. Happy birthday, Saki, para malaman natin yung singing first thing na natapos. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, ready? Set! Go! Okay, next! Oh! W! Okay! Cut! Cut! Okay, now, public name of W! Malinaw na malinaw. Ayan, bako na ang team Buraot. Sino kami hindi tinapos ang dot natin. Okay, so di ba may consolation prize para ng mga girls?